Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase and add a paid module to your website through the admin area. Let's get started. Before purchasing a module, make sure your website is already connected to the App Shop. If the connection has not been configured yet, please refer to the Connecting to App Shop guide first. Next, sign into your account. Open in your browser and log in using your account credentials. Now open the admin area of your website. Go to App Shop and open the Store tab. Locate the paid module you want to purchase and click Discover. On the module page, click Add to Cart. In the pop-up window, click Go to Cart. Next, choose a domain for all products in the cart or assign a domain only to the selected product. If needed, you can also assign the domain later. Select your preferred payment method and click the corresponding payment button. If you choose PayPal, sign into your PayPal account or create a new account if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. After the purchase is successful, a confirmation page will appear indicating that your order has been received. Now return to the admin area of your website. Go to App Shop and open the My Library tab. Locate the module you have just purchased. Click Install to add the module to your website. Follow any additional prompts that may appear during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, the module will be available for configuration and use. That's it. You've successfully purchased and installed a paid module using the osCommerce App Shop. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.